Hi fellow Phoenixes, and today I'm going to be joined by Isaac, Jim and Liam. We're going to be just playing some casual duos trying to get a win. I'll see you when we get into some action. Bye! Guys, we just found E.T. He's controlling it. Guys, we need to find E.T. He's controlling this homeless mushroom. Look! E.T.'s controlling this homeless mushroom. We need to find him, so then we can get rid of his powers on that helpless mushroom.
Just wait there, the person comes.
Do that one more time. If you do that one more time, it would have looked like I had a hat on my head.
Minigun. I'm gonna grab it as a blasting. Yeah.
It's fine, it's fine.
Oh, okay, yeah. Squad it up, boys. Let's go.
95 guys, let's do this. Just imagine it's...
Okay, they're down. They're down at the hill at Loot Lake, so watch out. As soon as we get into circle, we're just ditching this buggy, but we have to get somewhere safe.
Get on the high ground.
Yeah, we will.
Don't tell. Don't tell. Ignore it there, look. Don't ditch it, just ditch it. Like, get on this mountain road instead. And then we can set up.
Yeah, but then we'll have to move Isaac. Rift!
Well,
Yes.
there's guys in Loot Lake, but
Right, wait for everyone, Isaac. Don't jump in. Right, 3, 2. Right, wait for everyone to come. Jim, come on. Just quick, hurry up. Right, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, we can make that to the hill. Liam, why didn't you... Oh no! This player's rushing Liam. This player's rushing Liam. Uh-oh. As soon as he jumped, it glitched him back, and then the teleporter vanished. Guys, yeah, there's no point. Yeah, that's because they see us. As soon as they see us trying to res you, they're gonna hammer us with their ARs. Minigun again. Big shield. Big pop. Oh, okay, right. I'm getting shot at, big pot on top of me, but you know. Just watch out for that guy with the sniper. No, I think it's like 2. Nice, okay.
Grenade launcher there for anyone? Someone take it?
Go into this chest up here. See if I get a sniper out of it. Oh no, I only got slapped. I need RPG ammo, Jim. I have a rocket launcher.
My chest.
We need to get the height advantage. We can just get the height advantage. Guys, let's... Guys, set up on this hill. Really? Should we? Yeah, should we just go and camp on the edge of the world?
Might as well. Check your guys over there, because you guys might bring.
Guys, we're just gonna wait until those people. Yeah, we will. Unless we're in the circle. No, we're not. We have to move. Oh no, it's next to those snipers.
Guys, we can stay here. We can stay here.
They might have got killed. Should we move around like really far, like circle road?
Checking for guys on laser. This seems a bit worrying.
Wait. Yeah, down there.
Should I go for a snipe?
That's weird. That is really weird. They don't look normal, but they are normal. Okay, right, those sniper people must have got killed. It's either a 3v4 or a 3v2v2. Oh, okay, I see one, south.
Wait up.
Up on hill. Don't engage yet, just like wait to see.
Should we like on the edge of the corner? No, guys, come here.
Oh my god, yeah. Oh, oops. Sorry, Isaac, come up here. Okay, nice.
Everyone move in the corner.
Yeah, I know. But we'll just move in when it gets to the very end because they're fighting. Yeah? Yeah. Jim, no, what are you... Isaac, what are you doing? You do know now they're going to know that we're here. Yeah, they are. They're fighting. Let's go. Push in. They're fighting. We can get right behind them with our RPGs and stuff. Yeah. Yeah. But why would you shoot? Just let them fight it out, Isaac.
I know there's guys right next to us, guys.
Go. I see them. Where is he? Let's go. Let's go! Woo! I killed them both. Let's go.
Died in the storm.
Let's go.
Oh, guys. Oh, look at the kills as well. Wait.
Wow, what's the stats?
0, 0, 0, 2. That's how many kills.
GG. Let's go.
I died in the storm. I kept him in the storm.
I hope you guys enjoyed.